The new NuTone Knock video doorbell keeps your home safe and secure wherever you are. With its free smartphone app and motion detection, NuTone Knock sends alerts to your smartphone or tablet when someone is at your door, even if they don't ring the bell. Best of all, the NuTone Knock is easy to install. First, make sure you've got all the tools you'll need: wire strippers, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, pliers, a drill with a 1/4-inch bit, and a level. Standing where you plan to install the doorbell, connect your smartphone to your home's Wi-Fi router and make sure you have at least 2 to 3 bars of signal. At your fuse box, turn off the power to the existing doorbell. Open the chime box and install the diode between the front and trans connectors. For rear doorbell installations, connect the diode between the rear and trans connectors. Remove the existing doorbell push button from the wall and disconnect the wires. Place the mounting plate on the wall and mark the screw holes. Use a drill with a 1/4-inch bit to drill pilot holes. Then place the plate on the wall and make sure it's level. Ensure there is enough room behind the mounting plate for excess wire. Attach the plate to the wall with the included screws. You also can use the included anchors if you'd like. Connect the doorbell wires using the weather-resistant wire connectors. Twist the wires, then feed them into the wire connector. Crimp the wires with pliers at the short end of the connector. Turn the power on at the fuse box and test by pressing the doorbell button. The lights on the doorbell will tell you the status of the connection. Refer to the included installation guide for the meaning of each light combination. Now it's time to attach the doorbell camera. Push the extra wire into the mounting plate slot. Hang the doorbell camera on the mounting plate tabs and slide the camera down into place. Install the security screw in the bottom of the push button. Download the NuTone Knock smartphone app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Create an account on the app. Make sure the doorbell is in discovery mode. The button indicator should be flashing red and green. If the indicator light is not flashing, press the call button for 10 to 15 seconds to enter discovery mode. Once the NuTone Knock is in discovery mode, follow the in-app setup instructions and modify the settings to your preferences. Always know who's at your door with NuTone's new Knock video doorbell.